This is how you can easily know if you have problems with your oil pressure switch. As soon as you take it out, oil all over. This is a big sign for you to get a new oil pressure switch. It's really easy and simple, you know, to replace. We're just gonna find a socket to get that one out. Okay, the next thing, you just gotta put a 15-16 in it, so you don't have to take these two lines out. You can do it. Those are oil. They fit in the turbo. Let me just put this one in. Look, I already have it all the way in. And this one, I don't think it's gonna take that much force. Once you lose it a little bit, you can slide this out. Start twisting this. Whoops, I gotta get that out. Just once you have them, just compare them. At least if it's gonna be the same connector, same size. And just put the other one back in. It's pretty simple. And this is gonna save your engine from not having enough oil and messing your whole engine up. Look at this, just that easy. And I'm gonna put the socket. Oh, let me pause it here so I won't break it. Once you have it in, just twist it, not too tight, you know. Get this out. Let me see if I can focus the camera here. This oil. Anyways. And I mean, after this, of course, I'm gonna wash that a little bit because I don't want the oil to just stay there. But that's pretty much it. That's how you replace the oil pressure switch or sensor, and that should not leak anymore. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So that's pretty much it. Sensors in, plugged in. Check your oil levels, because I know mine is gonna need like a quarter of fluid. I recommend 530 for these cars is perfect. If you want to go 0-30, it's still okay, but 530, you know, 530 is, it's like a good engine oil, you know, like you can use high mileage or whatever, but 530 is what I recommend, you know, what I use on my car, especially, you know, since it's a turbo. That is a perfect oil for this car. I mean, after, you know, like certain mileage. So that's pretty much it. Next time, you know, I'm probably gonna upload, you know, the video on how to, like, if in case that you like that lip, you know, it's a new one. The other one, you know, I messed it up, so that's a new one. So I'll see you in the next video.